So one of the most undervalued gaming projects in the crypto right now is called Pikamoon. I have been talking about this project for a few months now, and there are so many updates. First of all, they have released a new and amazing trailer of their upcoming game, which really shows you how high quality this project is, and I will show you the game trailer later in the video. There are new opportunities with staking the Pikamoon NFTs for at least 6 months for bigger rewards. There are 300 plus huge influencers that are creating content about Pikamoon daily, and I will explain you why the bull market and the altcoin season is upon us, and why these are the last few weeks that you can take advantage of cheap crypto in my opinion. And of course, nothing in this video is a financial advice, these are just my opinions, and I'm basically explaining what I'm doing personally. And again, Pikamoon project has a great leadership, and they have a huge team that are basically building all the ecosystem, the games, the staking, the NFTs, everything. And I will explain you many bullish aspects of this project, but first, let's watch the trailer. So we just saw the trailer, and it is quite amazing because it reminds me a little bit of the Pokemon or even Pixelmon, which is one of the biggest crypto projects right now. And I wouldn't be surprised if this project reaches at least $1 billion market cap. Obviously, it is really hard to predict anything in crypto, but I think this is really a high quality trailer, and they have a huge team that is building the game and all the staking, everything, NFTs. So the second thing I wanted to show you is the staking is live. And the first thing you want to do, you want to go on the pikamoon.io PikaHub staking. All the links, by the way, will be in the description below. So what you want to do, you want to connect your wallet and you want to sign up. And if you haven't signed up yet, you can use your Google account. Here you need to create your username and just press continue and sign up successful. Right now I can connect my wallet. I will connect my MetaMask wallet. Here you can see the wallet connection is successful. Proceed to wallet. So here is the Pikamoon hub, and right here you can see Pika staking takes place exclusively on the Pika hub. So it is right here, and don't basically believe any scams that are out there. This is the only place where you can stake and get rewards for staking your Pikamoon. And you can also provide a liquidity and get a rewards. Right here you can see you get a 276% APY, which means that you get at least 2.5 times the staked amount that you stake in the liquidity pool. And right here you can see you can claim your rewards when you stake your Pikamoon. So I encourage you to stake if you believe in this project. Right here is the marketplace, which is coming soon. So basically most likely for the NFTs that will be in the game as well. And right here you can see the rewards and the bug bounty in the referral program is coming soon. And I believe in this team because they have a huge team actually, and they will probably bring all of this really soon, so stay tuned. So the next thing is that they are releasing their NFTs for the pre-salers. So if you have participated in the pre-sales, and right here on the Medium article you can see if you basically participated in the pre-sale of phase 1, phase 2 or phase 3, you can basically get an OG NFT. And here you can see if phase 1 presale participants wish to receive the super rare Pokemon NFTs, they can sell their Pika tokens from claim and then 6 months following June 30th. So there is a great incentive for you to hold your Pokemon tokens to get a legendary super rare Pokemon NFTs. And here you can see some extra alpha. The 21st of June will be the last day to claim your Pika presale tokens. At such time, the presale claim function will be disabled and all remaining tokens will be burned. So we'll have another burn event of Pokemon, which is bullish because the supply will be much lower and the demand will be much higher. So the price of token might or maybe it will go up. And right here you can see how the card looks, and it is quite similar to the Pokemon cards if you know about them. And here it basically shows how strong is the card, what type of card it is, how many health points it has, what is the level. Here's basically its weakness. Its resistance is basically a fire. So these NFT cards look really nice, and I think the holders will enjoy them by holding especially the super rare OG NFT cards. So that's basically what I wanted to show you about NFTs and why I am bullish, because they are basically releasing the game, they have staking, they are releasing NFTs, they have their own token. So this is really bullish in my opinion. And the next thing I want to show you is the influencers that are creating a content about Pokemon every single week at least. And this will play a major role when the actual bull run comes, because in my opinion the summer will be quite a sideways action for especially for Bitcoin and Ethereum, because most people will be taking vacations and just basically chilling next to the beach. And this is the reason why it's really probably the lowest point that you can buy that Pokemon tokens right now. But I encourage everyone to do their own research and basically search Pokemon on YouTube and just look how many huge influencers with over hundreds of thousands with followers are basically creating content about Pokemon. And when the actual bull run comes, this will play a big role in the price action as well. And right here on the Twitter as well, Purple Dude, he has 580,000 followers, really bullish. He basically showed this chart with the Pokemon price action, and here you can see it will go up, basically target 1 and target 2. Just looking at the fact that Pokemon team is really smart and they are basically releasing updates every week. And here you can see that he predicts the price will go up by 3x in few weeks. And I wouldn't be surprised because the trailer and all the updates are looking really bullish. And looking at the 1 year price, as you know, Bitcoin has been stagnating for the last year, and that's why I'm not surprised that basically most of the coins have been going lower and lower since I think January and February. But in my opinion, these are the best opportunities to buy dips, because again, I think the main bull run will come in 2025, and this summer is the last chance you can buy tokens quite low and quite cheap, because I personally believe in the crypto 4-year cycle. Right here you can see the market cap is only $17 million and the fully diluted market cap is $50 million. And for example, let's compare this to Illuvium. And Illuvium has right here you can see fully diluted market cap $760 million. So Pokemon has at least 20x potential to reach the same level, and I believe it can do it because the bull run will be all about gaming. This is the reason I would recommend you to not fade this project, because there are so many new updates coming soon. And one more thing, you can see all these huge exchanges that you can get the Pokemon tokens on. For example, BitGet, Maxi, Bitmart, Decentralized Exchange Uniswap. Here are all the upcoming NFTs. You can see water, electric, rock, air, earth, everything you want. And one of the best things about this project is that there are no hidden VCs that can dump the token all at once. There are just the team members that have the vested token. They have their vested tokens, which means that they can unlock the tokens partially every few months. I think it's basically runs for 3 years. So this means that bull run will come and they cannot dump their tokens in the bull run. This is really bullish because this means that the supply will stay the same. And even with the burning mechanisms, it will go lower and demand will go higher and the price will most likely go the 10x, 20x, maybe even 50x. And lastly, one thing I want to show you is they basically released a new podcast episode number 4 2 days ago. So just go on their YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is called Pikamoon. The link is in the description and you can basically watch all the updates basically from the team themselves because they know the best, they know everything, and they will explain you why and how and what they are doing with this project, all the updates, everything. So if you are interested in this project, you should basically check this podcast. And yeah, so thanks for watching. And if you don't want to miss on any upcoming crypto, NFT, and airdrop alpha, press the subscribe, press the notification bell. So every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto, NFT, and airdrop alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.